Now I've already have my Qgis installed and opened over here, which is like this. And you're gonna have a browser over here, and you can find a file. I hope you already download the zip file from Orin. I already download over here, and I'm gonna drag it in. Cause I learned the QGIS by myself, so I probably have some like really bad habits. So but this kind of like step works for me. If you find something like better steps, please tell me. Okay, so now you can see my contours over here. What we want is use Qgis to turn into a DXI file with the head value. So we will go to the plugins. You probably won't have grass display over here because I haven't clicked on that. So go to the manage and install plugins. It's running and opening. Okay, when you click on all, you're gonna have these kind of things display on your screen. So we want to tap grass to find grass, and you say you already have the grass installed over here. What you want is just to tick this in front of that. So yeah, now I can close it. And now if you have ticked that, you're going to have grass display over here. The first thing we want to do is we want to set up a new map set. So we go to new map set, we find a place to save all the files and all the informations in our dictionary directory. So give it a name, select a place, and we want to give it a new location. So the grass location is a collection of map for a particular area of the project. So basically, you just need to give it a name. I'm gonna name it that farm Kensington because the contours are the Kensington area. So next, you probably want to choose the WGS84 for now because these maps are probably gonna work on other projections as well. So WGS84 is like more universal. That is what Google use. And click next. You don't really need to worry about that. Next, give it a new map site name. I'm gonna still call it Farm Kensington. Okay, click next. And yeah, finish. Open a new map set successfully created and set up as a current mapping working map set. Great. Okay, this is what I. So next step, you probably want to go to this grass with a little bit hammer over here. You click it, it's gonna open the grass tool for you. There's two main grass tools we want to use. Is the first one is we're gonna import the vectors into the grass. The second step is we're gonna give those vectors a head value, turn it into a 3D thing. So we wanna search import vector. So double click on the first one. And here we can choose the loaded area layer. The layer is just what your contour layers over here, and give it a name. So I'm gonna call it farm Kensington vector. Like you can just call it and click run. Successfully finished. And when you click view output, you can have these layers over here. You can like see the output. So next step, we'll go back to the module again. We search 3D. Okay, what we want is here to make the 2D vector features to 3D with the height based on the attribution. So double click on that and choose the layer we just created and give it a name. I'm gonna call it farm Kensington 3D. And this is where we choose what kind of the head values we want to give it. So now I'm gonna choose altitude, or you can like create a new column which is called elevation or something, as we did in the Qgis. Okay, so click run. It's running, successfully finished. Okay, view output. Gonna give you a new layer over here. Now this is what we have. And the final step is just to export that as a DX file. So right click on the layer, go to the export, save feature as, and it's gonna bring up these windows over here. We want to choose the format as DXF. You can choose other file tabs over here, but now we want to export as a DXF, which AutoCAD can recognize, and give it a name and the location. Gonna save it here in my folder called Farm Kensington 3D. Yep, save it. And now the important step is we want to choose the CRS as Australia one now. So we want to project it as the GDA 84 MGA zone 55. Yeah, so click on that and encoding it as UTF-8 -8. So now we can leave the rest and click OK. So it's running. They're gonna ask you again what kind of the coordination system you want to choose. You probably want to choose the GDA 84 MG zone 55 and click OK. Yeah, it's already done. And let's open our CAD and have a look. Okay, now we have our CAD open and let's have a look at the file. So this is a file I have saved. Open it. You probably won't have a display on your screen, which is like you're probably far away from the zero because we bring that from the GIS software. So you want to tap Z space, which is zoom, and zoom to extends, type E and click OK. Now let's bring that to a elevation. Boom! That's our contours. Looks all right to me. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.